Hello and welcome back to Boloform Signature. Today I will tell you towards a new feature where it will let collaborators add their own emails in settings so that the documents are sent from their email instead of the owner's email. I will click on settings, and under the email settings there are two options, sender name and sender email address. You should make sure that the sender name and sender email reflect your organization name and email address. The domain has to be in accordance with your organization name. This will not work with the personal account. The email domain must belong to the organization. After scrolling, you can see there is a new option called Other Email Settings. There you can see a tick option where you can tick that to allow collaborators to send email using their personal email. Now I will go to Teams and I will add all the collaborators whom I want my workspace to be so that they can use my workspace. Now we will see the collaborators accounts. For instance, I'm using my second account. I will click on default workspace and switch to the owner's workspace. I have switched to the owner's workspace. Now I will click on settings. Under email settings, you can see you can add your own name and email address to send documents instead of using the owner's email address. But the collaborators should use the email domain should match the organization domain. For example, the owner's domain also contains superassistant.io in the owner's email. So under collaborator should also use that same domain. Now we will see how, like while sending a new document, how this will work. I'll create a new PDF. I will upload the document and add all the relevant information. I have uploaded the document. I have added the sender's name and email address. Now I will click on confirm. I will add all the relevant fields for this particular document. Now I will click on send by email. As you can see, despite using the owner's workspace, I have received the signer have received the email from the collaborator's email address. If we'll click on show details, you can see that the this email address is of the collaborators with the organization domain. It is sent to the signer. This way, you can see that the using the owner's workspace, the collaborators can add their own email address to send the particular document. Now I will tell you why this feature is helpful. This update streamline your workflow by allowing team members to manage their documents independently. No more waiting for the owners to send out documents. It also increased professionalism. Clients receive documents directly from the team members they are working with, creating a more professionalized and professional interaction. And lastly, it enhances flexibility. Team members can now manage their documents, sending on the go using their own email addresses. Thank you.